Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be the administrator on a Blockman GO game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman GO game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage after logging in using your credentials. From here, you can start enjoying various different games right away. However, if you wish to become the administrator and host your own game, just tap on the chat button at the bottom. Once you tap on this, you will end up within the chat menu. From here, tap on a party, and now within this page, if you enter a room number and tap on the join button, then you will simply become a player in someone else's game. You will also see the plus button within various different parties or games that other players are hosting. Within these parties, you will find the flag icon on whoever the administrator is. So in order to become your own administrator on your game, tap on the plus icon to create your own party. From here, you can simply enter your party name and choose which game you would like to become an administrator of. After choosing your game, go ahead and enter a password if you wish to set it up. And finally, choose your game mode. After selecting all of these, you can simply click on the Create Party button. And now, you will successfully become an administrator on this game that you have started to host. You can now click on the plus icon for the other players and invite your friends to fill these roles. Or you may also wait for other players to automatically find your game and join. Once enough players have joined, you can tap on the start button and now you will become the host or the administrator of this game that you have hosted right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to become the administrator on your desired game within Blockman GO. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.